Welcome to session number 6 of chapter number 5 Arithmetic Progression of Class 10 Mathematics. पिछले सेशन में हम लोग एक्सरसाइज 5.2 कंप्लीट किए थे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट न्यू टॉपिक सम ऑफ n टर्म्स ऑफ एन एपी. सो सबसे पहले हम लोग फॉर्मूला डिराइव करेंगे. आवर टॉपिक टुडेज टॉपिक इज सम ऑफ n टर्म्स ऑफ एन एपी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट n टर्म्स क्या होगा एपी का? a plus a plus d plus a plus 2d plus so on. The last term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term. इससे पहले क्या होगा? a plus n minus 2 into d, right? And the sum is denoted by Sn. Okay, sum को हम लोग Sn से डिनोट कर लिए. नाउ अगर हम लोग इस पूरे नंबर्स को रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे तो भी सम Sn ही होगा, राइट? ऑल्सो Sn is equals to, now that will become the first term and the second term a plus n minus 2 into d, so on. Then the last term will be a, and the second last term will be a plus d. Okay, right? So let it be the first equation and this is the second equation. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll add these two equations. Adding 1 and 2 we get. So we'll get left hand side 2 times Sn. What you will get if we add these two? See, a 2a हो जाएगा plus n minus 1 into d we will get. This is the first term. Second term a 2a हो जाएगा and n minus 2 into d plus d will become n minus 1 into d. सेकेंड टर्म भी हमको वही मिला. सो सेकेंड लास्ट टर्म देख रहे हैं. द सेकेंड लास्ट टर्म इज ऑल्सो 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 into d and the last term also we are getting 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So same numbers we are getting. Same numbers we are getting how many times? n times. तो अगर हम लोग if we add 2 या take any number 3 for 5 times, what will be the answer? 5 into 3. अगर 100 times 3 को ऐड करेंगे तो 100 into 3. अगर n times ऐड करेंगे तो n into 3. So यहाँ पर हम लोग 2a plus n minus 1 into d we are adding n times. So this will imply 2 times Sn is equals to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And finally we'll get Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find the sum of n terms. If the first term is known to us, the number of terms is known to us, and d. 3 terms इसमें हम लोग को पता होना चाहिए, n, a और d. Then we can we can easily calculate the sum of n terms by using this formula. Now see carefully. यहां पे अगर हम लोग a को अलग कर दें, if we separate a from here, so we'll get a plus n minus 1 into d. What is this actually? an. So this formula can be written in this way also. Okay, n by 2 a plus an. ये फॉर्मूला हम लोग को ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. इन सम बुक्स इट इज गिवन a plus l. l इज द लास्ट टर्म. ओके, अगर एपी में फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म अगर हम लोग के पास दिया हुआ है, सो वी कैन यूज दिस फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला वी कैन यूज दिस फॉर्मूला टू गेट द कैलकुलेशन इजी, टू डू द कैलकुलेशन इजी. ओके, नाउ इस फॉर्मूला की बेसिस पे नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 5.3. ओके, so exercise 5.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में 4 बिट्स है. we'll do the first bit first. 2, 7, 12, so on up to 10 terms. We need to find the sum of the following APs. Okay, so here the value of the first term is 2 and the common difference is second term minus first term, that is 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Okay, and n is equals to 10. So we know that Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. अब हम लोग यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So n is equals to 10, so it will be 10 by 2. 2 into 10, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d. It is 5. So 10 upon 2, 2 plus 2 यहाँ पे 4 हो जाएगा. Now this 10 minus 1 will become 9. 9 into 5 is 45. So ये कैंसिल कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. So what we are going to get? 5 into 49. So 245 is the answer. Okay. Next question. Question number second bit इसी का. minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 10 terms. 12 terms. Question में 12 terms दिया है. Right. So here the first term is minus 37. And the common difference is second term minus first term, that is minus 33 minus of minus 37. So we'll get plus 37, so plus 4. Now see, this is increasing order, so the sign of d should be positive. And n is equals to 12. So again write the formula. We know that Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. Now we'll substitute n is equals to 12 and 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into d is 4. Okay. So 12 by 2 is 6. And 2 into minus 34 is minus 74 plus 11 into 4 will be 44. So 6 into minus 30. So final answer is minus 108. Now next question, third bit. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. 200 terms. So here, what is the value of A? 0.6. And what is the value of B? Second term minus first term. That is 1.7 minus 0.6. So कितना मिलेगा? 1.1. Okay. Now the value of n is equals to 100. Now write the formula. We know that Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute all the values. So n is equals to 100 and a is equals to 0.6. 100 minus 1 into 1.1. So we'll get 100 upon 2. 2.006 0.6 हो जाएगा 1.2 and 100 minus 1 is equals to 99 और 99 into 99 इंटू 11 हम लोग का हो जाएगा 1089, राइट। और एक प्लेस पे डेसिमल है तो यहाँ पे लगा दिए हम लोग। सो 100 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज 50 एंड 108.9 प्लस 1.2 विल गेट 110.1। सो 110.1 को अगर हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 50 के साथ में, सो हमको मिलेगा 5505। दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर। ओके, 5505। नाउ द फिफ्थ बिट, fourth bit is 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12 and 1 upon 10 up to 11 terms. So what is A here? 1 upon 15, and what is D here? Second term minus first term, that is 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15, and 12 और 15 का LCM 60 होगा। So यहाँ पे 5 आएगा और यहाँ पे 4. So we'll get D is equals to 1 upon 60 and the value of N is equals to 11. Okay. Now write the formula. We know that Sn is equals to N upon 2, 2a plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So substitute all the values. N 11 दिया हुआ है, so 11 by 2, 2 into A. A is 1 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1 into 1 upon 60 D. Okay. Now 11 upon 2, this is 2 by 15 और यहां पर हम लोग को मिलेगा 10 by 60. 10 by 60 we can write 1 upon 6. एक 0 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं। So 15 और 6 का LCM होगा 30। So यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे आएगा 5, राइट। So लास्ट स्टेप्स पे हम लोग आ चुके हैं। So we'll get 9 upon 30. 9 और 30 further we can divide it by 3. So 3 3s are 3 10s are. So final answer 33 by 20. Okay. Next question. Now we'll start question number 2. So question number 1 में 4 बिट्स है, चारों बिट्स हो गया। Now question number 2 स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग। We'll try to complete maximum questions today. This is the last exercise of regular exercise और एक optional exercise है, that also will complete. Okay. Now second question, first bit. Seven plus 10 half plus 14 plus so on. The last term is 84. Now see, the first term we can find it by this series, and the last term is already given, but the value of n is not given. So हम लोग का जो first target है, we should find the value of n. So here a is equals to 7 and d is equals to second term minus 7 first term. So ये हो जाएगा 3 half. 3 half we can write 7 by 2 and the last term is 84. So what is an? The formula of an is a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 84. Now using this formula we will find the value of n. 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equals to 84. Now shift this 7 to this side, it will become minus 7. So 84 minus 7 हो जाएगा 77. Now shift 7 by 2 to this side. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. कितना हो जाएगा ये? 2 by 7 हो जाएगा. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So ये कैंसिल हो रहा है. 7 11 are 77. So we'll get n minus 1 is equals to 22. We'll shift minus 1 to that side. It will become plus 1. So finally n is equals to 23. Now we'll use which formula? The second formula. क्यों? क्योंकि last term already दिया हुआ है. So we know that Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus an. Second formula हम लोग use करेंगे. So this will imply Sn is equals to 23 by 2. A is 7 plus the last term is 84. So we'll get 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7 is 91. तो हम लोग का ये डेसिमल में आंसर आएगा, राइट? सो 91 into 23 करके डिवाइड बाय 2 करेंगे. सो 91 into 23 हम लोग कर लेते हैं. 273 आ गया. 218. सो 3902. सो फाइनल आंसर इज 1046.5. Okay. 2093 divided by 2, 1046.5. 1046.5. इसको मिटा देते हैं. Now, this next bit we are going to do, the second bit. The question is 34, 32, 30. 34, 32, 30. The last term is 10. Here also we have to find the value of n. So here the value of a is 34 and the value of d is second term minus first term, that is 32 minus 34. It will be equals to minus 2. Okay, and the nth term is equals to 10. Now what is the formula of nth term? A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 10. So substitute all the values. 34 है a का value and the value of d is minus 2. Now 34 we will shift to that side, it will become minus 34. So n minus 1 into minus 2 is equals to 10 minus 34. 10 minus 34 होगा minus 24. So n minus 1 is equals to minus 24 by minus 2. So minus minus will cancel and we'll get 12. Now finally shift minus 1 to that side. It will become plus 1. And we got the value of n is equals to 30. Now we'll use the same formula, the second one, because the last term is known to us. So we know that Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus an, right? Sn is equals to 13 by 2. A is 34 and the last term is 10. So 13 by 2 is equals to 44. ये 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. So हम लोग को मिलेगा 22. 22 into 13. 26, 26, 286. Okay. So now the third bit, I think second question का third bit last है. minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, and the last term is minus 230. So here the first term is minus 5. अब ये जो decreasing order में है, this is in decreasing order, so the sign of these negative. So second term minus first term. So minus minus this will become plus. So minus 8 plus 5 will be minus 3. Now we will find the value of n. कैसे find करेंगे? an is equals to minus 230. Okay, so this will imply a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to minus 230. Now we will substitute all the values. So a का value है minus 5 and the value of b is minus 3, and we will shift minus 5 to that side. So minus 5 जब उस साइड में शिफ्ट करेंगे तो प्लस 5 हो जाएगा. So minus 230 plus 5, and we'll get minus 225. So minus 225, now we have to divide it by minus 3. Okay, 225 divided minus 225 divided by minus 3. So minus minus will cancel and we'll get 75. फिर minus 1 उधर शिफ्ट करेंगे. So finally we got the value of n. Okay, n is equals to 76. Now we know that the same formula we are using, the second formula, as last term is known to us, n by 2 a plus an. So Sn, so n by 2 means 76 by 2. A is minus 5 and an is minus 230. So 76 by 2 is 38 into minus 235. So final answer will get minus 8,930. If you multiply, you will get this answer. Okay. So second question का भी पूरा bits हो गया. Now we'll start the third bit. Now third bit is very important for drilling purpose, क्योंकि sum of n terms में जितने भी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं वो सारे इसमें हैं. 10 बिट 10 बिट्स हैं. सो विल कंप्लीट वन मोर राउंड. एक राउंड में जितना आता है उतना कंप्लीट करेंगे, बाकी क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट सेशन में कंप्लीट करेंगे. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ड्रिलिंग पर्पस, क्योंकि एसएन में जितने टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो इस क्वेश्चन में है अलग अलग बिट्स में. Okay, now third question, first bit. In an AP given A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3 and AN is equals to 50, find N and SN. तो अभी जो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में कर रहे थे वो यही वाला क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि जो whatever the AP was given, from that we got the value of A, we got the value of D and the last term. उसमें भी हम लोग सबसे पहले n फाइंड किए थे, उसके बाद हम लोग Sn फाइंड किया, right? So we'll take this one. A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 50. So A is 5, n minus 1 into D, that is 3, is equals to 50. We will shift 5 to that side. So 50 minus 5 हो जाएगा 45. Now 45 we have to divide it by 3. 3 से divide करेंगे. So what we will get? 15. Now shift minus 1 to that side. So it will become plus 1. Okay. So we got the value of n. Now क्योंकि लास्ट टर्म दिया हुआ है, लास्ट टर्म इज नोन टू अस, सो वी नो दैट Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus an. So this will imply Sn is equals to 16 by 2 5 plus 50. So 16 by 2 is 8, 50 plus 5 is 55, so we'll get 450. 40. So this is the answer. Now second bit, given a is equals to 7 and the 13th term is given 35, we have to find D and S13. So how will you write A13? A13 कैसे लिखेंगे? A plus 12D. A plus 12D. Now substitute the value of A, that is 7. Now shift 7 to that side. So 35 minus 7 हो जाएगा 28. And we'll get D is equals to 28 by 12. That is 7 upon 3. Okay? 7 by 3 आ गया. D मिल गया. Now Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus an. This is the formula we are using because S13 मतलब last term is known to us. S13 is equals to 13 by 2, 7 plus 35. 7 plus 35. So what is 7 plus 35? 42. So finally we'll get 13 into 21. So 13 into 21 कितना होगा? मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. So 63, 21, 273. थर्ड बिट 273 हो गया. थर्ड बिट A12 is equals to 37 and D is equals to 3 and we need to find the value of A and S12. So what is A12? A plus 11D. Now the value of D is already given. उसको substitute कर लेंगे. So 11 into 3 is 33. We'll shift 33 to that side. So minus 33 हो जाएगा and we will get the value of A, that is 4. Now Sn is equals to n upon 2 A plus An. क्योंकि इसमें next हम लोग को S12 निकालना है. So S12 is equals to 12 by 2. First term is 4 and the last term is 37. So 12 by 2 is 6 and 37 plus 4 is 41. So we'll get 246. Okay. Now the fourth bit. The fourth bit is A3 is equals to 15 and S10 is equals to 125. And we need to find the value of D and the value of A10. So सबसे पहले what we will do, we will find the two equations from these two relations. A3, how will you write? A plus 2D. This is equals to 15. This is first equation. Now Sn is equals to n upon 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. And this is equals to this will imply यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं. S10 is equals to 10 by 2 2a plus 10 minus 1 into D is equals to 125. Okay, so this 2 will be cancelled. Next step में ये 5 यहाँ नीचे आ जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में. So हम लोग को सेकेंड इक्वेशन मिल जाएगा 2a plus 9d is equals to 125 by 5, that is 25. This is second equation. Right? Now see, we have to solve these two equations to find the value of A and D. So what we will do, we will make these two coefficients same. मैंने A को क्यों सेलेक्ट किया? क्योंकि A को सेम करने के लिए सिर्फ यहाँ पे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. अगर D को सेम करना है तो we have to multiply here with 9 and here with 2. So 18 हो जाएगा, right? So after multiplying we have to subtract. So multiplying 1 by equation 1 by 2, then subtracting with 2 we get, so इसको पहले लिख लेते हैं हम लोग. अब यहाँ पे 2 से 2 कर रहे हैं, 2a plus 4d is equals to 30. ओके, सो सब्ट्रैक्शन में माइनस 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 हो जाएगा ये, सो विल गेट 5d is equals to -5. सो d is equals to -1. यहाँ पे हम लोग को d निकालना था, सो d मिल गया. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड a10. सो a10 के लिए a भी चाहिए, तो व्हाट वी विल डू, दिस वैल्यू विल सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर. सो फ्रॉम 1 we have a plus 2 into -1 is equals to -15, and we'll shift -2 to that side, it will become +2, so a आ जाएगा 17. okay, and now we have to find a10. What is a10? How will you write a10? a plus 90. Now substitute the value of a and d. So 17 minus 9 हो जाएगा फाइनल आंसर 8. So 4 बिट्स हो गया और 6 बिट्स बचे हैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन में. So that we will take up in the next session. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.